G'day. Guess what time it is? It is time for us to explore what are the three keys to a winning website homepage. Really excited about today. One of the things with a website homepage is you do only get one chance at a first impression, and I think so many people make the same mistakes when it comes to website homepages. And so today, not only am I going to give you in 15 minutes this quick fire training, the three keys to a winning I've lost my words. To a winning website homepage. But I'm also going to show you some examples as well, so you can see exactly what it is I'm talking about. So rather than just the theory of it, you'll actually see some examples that'll help you to get the best results. All right, let's jump straight into it, Let's jump straight into it. So first of all, make it clear. When someone lands on your website, you want it to be really clear what it is that you do, who you are and how you help. And so, sometimes you can make it super obvious. You can see here, this is our website, digitlc.com.au. You can go and check that out if you want to see how it works. But you can see here that, we say we're very clear that we help you grow your business with digital marketing. We partner with you to increase traffic, leads and customers. Super clear what we do and who we are. And also, you can see that down the bottom there, we have a clear headline that says how we help. So rather than you having to try and work out, where to go on our website to find the information about how it is we help, we are super clear about how we help, and you'll be able to just find that on our website really quickly. I'm just going to make sure I've got any questions today, by the way, during the video. We are live on Facebook. You may be watching this recorded on YouTube or somewhere else, but you're always welcome to ask questions if you're here on the live event. Okay, so the first thing is make it really clear who you are, what you do, and how you help, because this makes it easy when someone lands on your website to decipher whether or not they're in the right place. Number two, make it easy. Okay, make it easy for people to contact you, call to actions, downloadable guides, whatever it is you might have some sort of a lead capture game plan. So when people arrive on your website, that they are able to take action there and then, and it's really, really simple. Now, by the way, the two best colors, it's been proven with many, many years of testing from different people, is green and orange. They're the two best call to action button colors, if you're wondering. We use orange, as you can see on our website here. Whatever you do, you probably want to make sure you're not using red. If you think about what red signifies in every part of the world, yes, a big warning or a stop. Okay, so make sure that with the colors, that you're getting the colors right. Really, really important. The third thing is to make it work. These days, a huge percentage of people are visiting your website on a mobile device, whether that's a mobile phone or a tablet of some sort. Your website has to be what's called responsive, and I'm going to give you a free tool that you can use to make sure your website is mobile ready. It's this one here. It's called responsinator.com. Okay, so it's a free thing to use. You just put your website address up in the top corner there. You can put any page in, press the go button, and it will show you how your website looks on multiple devices. You can just scroll down and you can check it out. But you want to make sure that your website works on those devices. So the three things again before I show you the samples. Number one, make it clear who you are, what you do, and how you help. Number two, call to actions. Make it nice and easy for people to take action once you're on your website, whether it's call now, get a quote, get an estimate, get a freebie, whatever it might be, as you see, book in a free digital marketing audit. And then the third one is make it work. So it optimized for mobile devices. All right, let's have a look at some examples. So this one here's FreshBooks. FreshBooks is a company that does accounting software built for owners. Okay, I've just read that straight off of their website. I don't know who they are. I don't use them at all, and I believe they're pretty big in the US. But this website is used quite a lot as an example for what is a great homepage. So I recommend you go and check it out. It changes every few months. They must test different things. But let's run through some of the things that they're doing really well. First of all, they've said that they've told you exactly what it is, what they do. Accounting software built for owners. The second thing you'll see is there's call to actions all over the page. Now, the thing I love about this is they've got several call to actions. Some of them are for the now buyers, so the people that are ready to go. You can see there's a buy now and save button. That's for the people that are just ready to go, ready to buy, don't have any questions. They've obviously been, they're on this website because they're just keen. The second button you'll see below that is request a demo. So those are people that are probably not quite ready to buy, but know that they're close to it, but they just need a little bit of extra help, maybe a demo or something like that. So they're they're still a warm lead, not as hot a lead, but they're still warm and they're ready to go. Then you can see up on the top right-hand corner, try it for free. These are the curious ones that aren't ready for a demo. They're not ready for the commitment of engaging with a consultant. Because the fear of maybe being sold to is there. So instead, they're going to do that. So they're very well set out on this. And then they've got call sales now. So for the people that just aren't comfortable doing stuff through technology, using the website, they've also got an option for people who want to use the telephone, go the old school way. So, perfectly set up homepage. Here's what we do. Here's how to take action. The other thing that they've incorporated onto their homepage is an offer. So you can see that there's an offer of 60% off for 6 months. So they're actually giving people a real incentive for taking action now. Another really key part of a good website homepage. And then you'll also see that they're very clear as to who it is they help. So down the bottom, you can see they've got tools that support your type of business. And then it says freelancers, self-employed professionals, businesses with employees, and businesses with contractors. Pretty much covers everybody, doesn't it? So, but they've got their website set up in such a way that this information is easy to read, it's easy to know what they do, easy to see the offers, and easy to take action no matter what level you're at. Okay, buy now or just get something for free. So think about that on your homepage. What are you doing for your now buyers, your curious buyers, and those that aren't ready to talk to somebody? Because it's really important. I'll show you another example. This is a website that we built for a client of ours that is in the collision repair industry. Collision repair is one of those things that is fast becoming more and more important, that collision repairers have a good digital presence. And so you'll see here that straight away it's pretty clear what they do. It's also scattered with call to action. So get a quote, online estimate. There's a number up the top for towing if you've had an accident, and then their main phone number up the top left-hand corner. So when you build your website, you want to make sure that you have geared it so no matter who lands on it, there's people can take action really easy, that they don't feel afraid to do anything. You can also see down the bottom that this is who they help. There's 3 different groups: insurance claims, private repairs, and fleet management. And so it's really clear, no matter what one of those you are, you can click on that and then go and read more information that's been tailored for you. Okay, so it's almost like having 3 websites in one for the same services. So when you build your homepage, think about, do I have different niches, and do I need to take them on a separate journey based on what their needs are? And so if you do, sometimes this is a good way to do it, is actually have it. And I think that one that I showed you before, this FreshBooks one, I think if you click on those 4 buttons, the same thing happens. It takes people on a bit of a unique journey. The next thing that is on this website, which is quite popular to do, and you can do this on a lot of different websites in a lot of different ways, is social proof or some sort of endorsement. Because if you want to build credibility and trust with people, sometimes you can do that with logo association, which is what's happening here. You might have seen that as seen on TV before, or our clients or who we've worked with. You can see this one here is Preferred Repairer 4. And so these brands have already done a lot of work to build trust and credibility in the marketplace. So by putting them on the website, it helps. Now, these could be testimonials. They could be awards. They could be anything. Okay, but it does help on your homepage just to have that little bit of extra information to help people get really comfortable with you. If we just jump back a tick and have a look at... Let me just jump in here. Have a look at this one here. You'll see, I can't get rid of that. That's okay. I'll just show you this part. What happens is all the information is above the fold. So you can see that screen capture that's been taken of that website. It's actually of the screen that is appearing on the monitor. Okay, so it's what's called above the fold. So I just wanted to reiterate that it is important to have all of this information above the fold. This particular one here, the 3 different groups is actually below the fold. Okay, but the social proof or the credibility generator is above the fold. Okay, so really important. Also including an offer up there as well, something they do that's unique, which is that they accept Afterpay, which is unique for a collision repairer. So it just gives you something different. All right, if you are interested in finding out more about having someone work with you to help get your homepage right, get the offers right, making sure that your website is performing properly when it comes to Google searches and it is converting traffic into customers, because that's the key thing. And you'll see that my logo above my head here, DigiTLC, traffic leads customers. And that's really what it should. It should be traffic leads to customers, which should, right? It's no good getting people coming to your website if they're not converting into a customer. And I've been doing this for many, many years, helping many people do it as well. And I'm more than happy to have a quick chat with you. The way to do that, the mechanism that I have for you to be able to learn more is to book yourself in for what I call a discovery call. We're going to pop the link now into the chat down below. It's also on the screen there. It's unfortunately a little bit of a longer one because it's directly from my calendar application. It's not on a landing page or anything like that. So we'll just pop it down below. You can click on that link. You can book yourself a 15-minute call. Now, during this quick fire discovery call, I'm going to do three things. Three things really quick. The first thing is I'm just going to ask you a lot of questions about your business just to see if I can find any sort of low-hanging fruit of quick things that you can do in the next 90 days that will give you a huge return. Usually what happens when I start to talk to somebody is I'll find one or two things that are really easy and simple to fix that can be addressed within, at maximum 1 week that'll make a huge difference to your digital marketing efforts. So whether it's your website or something else, I'll usually find some low-hanging fruit and I'll share that with you. The second thing I'm going to do is then I'm going to lift the hood up and take a bit more of a deeper dive into your business. And what I'm looking for is to see if there's an opportunity for you to really increase your sales with online marketing in the next 90 days through to 12 months. And, if I can help you find that and we both agree that we're a good fit, then what I'll do is the third step is then I'll rebook you in for a longer session, which I call my digital roadmap session, where I take you through, and share my screen and show you what your possibilities are with online marketing. So have a look at what is going on in your niche, how much search traffic there is, how much you're getting, how much your competitors are getting, and work out whether or not there's a fit for us to work together. Alrighty. So if you want to jump in, get the discovery call, and at very worst, you'll walk away from the discovery call with a 3-step action plan that you can go and implement yourself. And there's no harm done. I won't be offended if what I do is not for you. The 15 minutes is well spent regardless. If at the end of the 15 minutes we can both see a benefit in working together or possibly working together, then we'll book you in for that deeper dive session. Alrighty, thank you, Stephanie. Yeah, Stephanie's had the session with me before. Really appreciate you jumping into the comments there, Stephanie, letting people know that it is a great investment of time. Like I said, it's only 15 minutes and I will jam pack it in. I don't fluff about saying, how is your day? I will jump straight in and help you come up with that 3-step action plan. So more than happy for you to book in for that. So use that link in the comment, the Let's Meet link. All right. Thanks once again for joining us for this live. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, you know what to do, right? You know what to do. I'll give you a clue. Make sure you share this. Get your friends into this group as well. Really keen to keep building this digital marketing success network group. It's a great place to hang out and learn more about digital marketing. Until next time, I hope you have lots of luck generating leads online for your business. See ya.